Hello, my mathematicians. Today we are looking at Module 14, Lesson 6, which is all about using strategies and reasoning to add and subtract. Hopefully, by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to add and subtract decimals by using reasoning and strategies involving addition properties or friendly numbers. So, our first problem says Kyle finds two games that he wants to buy. What amount does Kyle pay for the two games? Find friendly numbers. And then it says add 3 cents to the price of the dark embers and subtract 3 cents from the price of the golden scythe. What are the new prices? So if we are adding 3 cents to the dark embers, that would be plus, that would give us the $16. And then to subtract 3 cents would give us $13.44. Oops. So this is what is the cost for both games. Well, I would add them together. So I would have $16 plus $13.44. So we have the 44 and then $29. It's $29.44. Is this the same as 15 and 97 hundredths plus 13 and 47 hundredths? How do you know? And it would be yes, because 3 hundredths was added to one price and subtracted from the other. The price is the same. Okay, so then it says, how much more does dark embers cost than the golden price? So it says, find friendly numbers. Subtract 47 hundredths from the price of each game. So we have the 15.97 minus 47 hundredths. 9 minus 4 is 5, and then you have the 15. So we would get 1550 and 1347 minus 47 hundredths would give me $13. So then it says, what is the difference in price? So we would subtract 1550 minus 13. That would give us $2.50. Is this the same price? Yes, because both numbers were decreased by the same amount. The difference is the same. So when you are adding, you have to add, when you're finding the sum, you have to add the same amount to one that you subtract from the other. But when you are subtracting, finding the difference, you have to subtract the same amount from both. So Kyle wants to buy 3 accessories for his club's gaming system. He writes 32 and 7500 plus 11 and 9800 plus 24 and 2500 to find the total cost. Kyle notices that 7500s and 2500s from the first and third addendums have a sum of 1. He uses the commutative property of addition and the associative property of addition to regroup the addendums to add them first. And it says rewrite the sum as an expression with 2 addendums. So we're going to take and just add those two together. So 32 and 7500s plus 24 and 2500s. When we add that together, we get 57 and 0 hundredths. So we're going to have 57 plus 11 and 98 hundredths. Then what is the cost of all 3 accessories? We're going to add those together. So we have 68 and 98 hundredths. And this is money because it's the cost. So we'll label it with dollars. It was 68 and 98 hundredths. So that is all for today's lesson. Hopefully you are now able to add and subtract decimals by using reasoning and strategies involving addition properties or friendly numbers. And remember, in order to be a math person, all you have to do is be a person and do math.